So I know you just told us a little bit about being one of the writers on the framework. Is there anything that you can, a sneak peek kind of,
Oh yeah,
secret
sure.
about the framework you can share with us?
I think so. I mean, all the chapters that we've been working on are all public, and anybody can get them from the Department of Education website. In fact, the whole framework is released in January for public comment, and it would be great if your teachers and people watching this would give their comments, particularly if they're positive comments, because we've really tried to do something different in this framework that's quite different from previous frameworks. One is we are not talking about categories of student as previous frameworks have talked about. We're really saying that all kids should have this high quality maths experience, and we're not going to think about gifted learners or kids unable to do things. That we're really trying to give a vision of a maths approach that is for all students. As I mentioned, it is setting out these big ideas, and the approach that we've set out, sort of K-12, is one of investigating and connecting. So those two words, investigating, connecting, are really the maths approach of this new framework. And we're talking about how do you thread through those really important mathematical investigations that connect these different areas of maths. So those are some. In the high school years, we're really hoping to retire the algebra geometry sequence and have kids work on integrated maths. And what we mean by integrated, unfortunately, in the last framework, a lot of districts said, oh, we'll go to integrated, which was great, but the textbooks did not integrate maths. They just kind of interspersed algebra and geometry chapters. So we've set out this new kind of high school vision where it's actually different concepts integrated together. We're hoping that that will maybe pave the way for a much more connected, much more integrated. The other thing is we've highlighted two areas of maths where we show what it is, K-12. One of them is number sense. What is number sense K-12? And the other is data science. So we're really elevating that data perspective. And I should mention that in number sense, one of the things we're doing is redefining fluency. We think there's been a lot of damage in the past by that word fluent in the Common Core standards. And so we've really set out, being fluent means that you're comfortable with numbers and you can be flexible with numbers. Doesn't mean going fast. So we've a lot of messages to sort of push away from that idea of speed. Anyway, those are some highlights.
I'm very excited for this new framework to come out for us to start working with.